Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2018 Infiniti Q50. This is a LUXE rear-wheel drive model. We took this one in on trade for a brand new Infiniti. It's a clean Carfax vehicle. We do have a complimentary Carfax report for you to view. 2018 is a great year for the Q50 because it got its first significant revision. The exterior was facelifted, the interior is facelifted, so it was really the biggest changes we've seen in the Q50 since 2014 when it first came out. And as far as looks go, it's pretty much current to the way a 2021 looks. So maybe if you can't quite afford a brand new Infiniti, you can buy this one that looks just like a brand new Infiniti, at least you know, from a distance. Obviously this has 39,000 miles on it, so it's not in new condition, but it's still in very nice shape. We saw a new steering wheel design for 2018. This is the same steering wheel we'll find in the Q60 Sport Coupe and the QX50. Really nice design. Feels wonderful in your hands. We have wood trim. Drive mode selector makes changes to steering, transmission shift points, how high the engine revs, traction stability control settings. We also have a new shifter design for 2018. We have synthetic leather and stitching on the dashboard. Beautiful wood interior trim that continues over to the door. So climate control settings, Bluetooth menu will pop up on this screen. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. We have a drive mode selector here as well, where you can make changes to transmission, steering. Then we have active traction control, which will brake individual wheels to help it rotate a little bit better through corners. Dual zone auto climate control. We have automatic dimming mirror of universal garage door opener, moonroof. We also got a new alloy wheel design for 2018. The front fascia was revised. And the rear taillights were revised as well for 2018. And then here they've added the underbody diffuser. The Q50 is a compact performance luxury sedan. Doesn't necessarily feel too compact on the inside. You have great interior space, even in the back seat. It's built on a balanced, oh, they forgot to clean the trunk. I'm not going to show you that. I'm going to have to send it back to detail for that one. So the Q50 is built on a performance-based rear-wheel drive platform. It's balanced. So with that rear-wheel drive platform, you have great weight distribution for excellent handling and performance. It's actually built on the same platform as a Nissan 350 and 370Z. And for the engine, we have a VR30 twin-turbo V6 featuring direct injection. Makes 300 horsepower for excellent performance and acceleration. Matched to a 7-speed automatic transmission, you can get up to 29 miles per gallon on the highway. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.